For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a resume writing business can be a rewarding venture, especially as job seekers constantly look for expert help to present their skills and experience effectively. With the power of free AI tools, you can launch this business with minimal upfront costs and deliver professional resumes that stand out. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of starting a resume writing business using free AI, from planning to marketing and client management. Step 1. Understand the resume writing industry and define your niche. Before launching your business, it's important to research the resume writing industry. Understand what employers expect in resumes, current resume trends, and different styles used for various professions. Define your niche to specialize in, such as entry-level resumes, executive resumes, or resumes for specific industries like tech or healthcare. This focus will help you target your marketing and build expertise. To assist in your research, use ChatGPT for gathering insights. You can prompt it with, explain current trends and best practices in resume writing for chosen niche. What do employers look for in resumes in this field? Step 2. Create a business plan. A solid business plan outlines your goals, target market, pricing, and marketing strategies. Use AI tools to draft this plan quickly. You can ask ChatGPT to generate a detailed business plan template tailored to resume writing. A suitable prompt might be, create a detailed business plan for a resume writing service targeting your niche, including market analysis, services offered, pricing, and marketing strategies. Step 3. Build your resume writing skills and templates. Even though AI can help generate content, understanding how to craft effective resumes is essential. Study sample resumes, formatting, and language that works best for your niche. Use AI tools like ChatGPT and Resume Builder websites with free templates to create your own high-quality resume templates. You can prompt ChatGPT, generate a professional resume template for a job title, including sections for summary, skills, experience, and education. Step 4. Set up your business essentials. Choose a business name and register it if needed according to your local regulations. Create a simple website or portfolio showcasing your services, pricing, and sample resumes. For this, free website builders such as Wix, WordPress.com, or Google Sites can be helpful. Use ChatGPT to help with website content creation by prompting. Write compelling website content for a resume writing service, including in about section, services, pricing, and contact information. Also, set up professional email accounts and consider creating social media profiles to build your online presence. Step 5. Use AI to assist resume writing. When working with clients, gather their career information through questionnaires or interviews. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to help draft resumes efficiently. For example, provide ChatGPT with detailed client information and prompt. Create a tailored professional resume for a job title with the following experience and skills, client details. Use a clear, concise, and impactful writing style. You can then review and customize the output for personalization and accuracy. Additionally, tools like Grammarly, free version, help polish grammar and clarity. Step 6. Develop a pricing model. Research competitors' pricing in your niche to set competitive rates. You may charge per resume, offer packages, resume plus cover letter, or hourly rates for consultations. Use ChatGPT to help formulate pricing strategies by prompting. Suggest pricing models for a freelance resume writing business targeting mid-level professionals. Step 7. Create a marketing plan. Effective marketing will help you attract clients. Use free AI tools to generate a marketing plan that includes online presence, social media strategies, content marketing, and referral programs. A helpful prompt for ChatGPT would be, develop a marketing plan for a resume writing business targeting recent graduates and professionals in your location or industry. Include social media ideas and content marketing strategies. Step 8. Build your online presence. Start by setting up social media accounts on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Share tips on resume writing, job search advice, and success stories to engage your audience. Use AI to generate content ideas and posts. You might prompt ChatGPT. Generate 10 social media post ideas with captions to promote a resume writing service. You can also write blog posts on your website to improve SEO and demonstrate expertise. Use ChatGPT for blog outlines and drafts. Write a 500-word blog post on top 5 resume mistakes to avoid. Step 9. Network and gather testimonials. Reach out to friends, family, or professional connections who may need resume help. Ask satisfied clients to provide testimonials that you can showcase on your website and social media. You can prompt ChatGPT to help draft polite requests for testimonials. Write a friendly message requesting a testimonial from a client who used my resume writing service. Step 10. Manage client communication and deliverables. Organize your workflow using free tools like Google Workspace, Docs, Sheets, Gmail, or Trello for task management. Maintain clear communication and deliver your services on time. You can use ChatGPT to draft professional emails for client follow-ups or requests. Write a polite email to a client requesting additional information needed to complete their resume. Step 11. Continuously improve your service. Regularly update your resume templates and skills based on feedback and industry changes. Use AI to stay current by prompting. Summarize the latest trends in resume writing for your niche as of 2025. Consider learning about related services like cover letter writing, LinkedIn profile optimization, or interview coaching to expand your offerings. Conclusion. Starting a resume writing business with the help of free AI tools is an accessible way to create a professional service without significant upfront investment. By following these steps, understanding the industry, planning, developing your skills, setting up your business, leveraging AI for resume creation, marketing, and managing clients, you can build a thriving business that helps people advance their careers. AI tools like ChatGPT and Grammarly act as valuable assistants throughout your journey, enabling you to work efficiently and deliver high-quality resumes. With dedication and smart use of technology, your resume writing business can stand out and grow successfully. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.